Shalum, man of Yasharal. Breathe deeply. Today, we walk in the victory Yahuwah has already secured. We stand not in our own strength, but in His power, declaring restoration over every area of our lives. Speak each affirmation clearly from a place of triumph and amunah daily for 21 days to fortify your Ruah and possess your inheritance. One, I am more than a conqueror through Yahusha, who loves me and has given me the victory. Two, what the enemy has stolen, Yahuwah restores sevenfold. I receive my restoration now. Three, no weapon formed against me shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against me I shall condemn. Four, Yahuwah is restoring the years that the locust has eaten. My future is brighter than my past. Five, I walk in the authority of Yahuwah's name, trampling over every power of the enemy. Six, the battle belongs to Yahuwah, and I stand still and see His deliverance. Seven, by the blood of the Lamb and the word of my testimony, I overcome every adversary. 8, I am the head and not the tail, empowered to lead and to reclaim all that was lost. 9, today I step into my restored purpose, walking in the good works Yahuwah prepared for me. 10, this is the day Yahuwah has made for my victory and restoration. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and continue to advance in triumph. Overcome the enemy's lies with your testimony of victory day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.